Consolidating the partnership between China and Kenya, Premier Li Keqiang met with Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta on Tuesday at the Great Hall of the People in Beijing. Li Keqiang said China and Kenya have maintained sustainable and healthy relations since the establishment of diplomatic ties 50 years ago. He said China is willing to cooperate with Kenya to push bilateral ties to a higher level. Li Keqiang said China will continue to support Africa's integration process and make further contributions to secure peace and development on the African continent. Li Keqiang also said China and Kenya should work together with the international community in the field of disaster prevention and poverty reduction. Uhuru Kenyatta said his country is cooperating closely with China in many areas. He said Kenyans are grateful for the long-term support from China. Top political advisor Yu Zhengsheng also met with Kenyatta on Tuesday. Yu Zhengsheng held frequent high-level exchanges and mutual support on issues involving each other's core interests and major concerns. Kenyatta said Kenyans hope to learn from China's development experience and deepen cooperation between the two countries in a sustainable way. The strong relationship between China and Kenya is based on a wide range of partnerships. Kenyatta's visit to China has great significance for the growth of bilateral ties. The two countries will keep learning from each other and strengthen cooperation on politics, economy, culture, and international affairs. Su Yuting, CCTV, Beijing.